This is a run through on how to take payment for part of a bill at any time. So the scenario is you can have a group of people eating together and one of them has to leave early and wants to settle up. Okay, so go to the Epos and add items to the cart. This is a test environment, by the way, so there are no photographs. I'll show you the difference of what it looks like with photographs in just a moment and then come back to the test environment. Don't forget your Epos in Tillex is also your website, should you wish to take online orders. There, doesn't it look nicer? Back to the test environment. So that's the whole lunch order. I'll put them on a table and then run a tab. Okay, now one of them has to leave early. We'll go see that table. So swipe left, click on payments and pay part of it off. Click on the split bill calculator and go down to take payment for the chap that's leaving and what he had. And where it says payment 1, you can even put the person's name if it helps. That brings the bill down for the other 3 to settle up when they leave. Okay, so now when you click on payments, you can see that it's partially paid and you can also see the history on the right-hand side. When the final 3 guests are leaving, then check out the table as usual and they can pay by split bill as well. Okay, I hope that helps. Don't forget to watch the tutorial on how to do multiple split bill payments. Thanks, bye.